walk by yourself yet. You still have a goal though.
You look like a buddy.
You want to drive? All good. Nope. Stop that. The car door. Open the car door. There you go. It's all good. Did you hit your head? Alright, let's go get in your spot. Let's go get in your spot.
Hey, what funny?
What did you
That was really funny. It happened in like 3 seconds.
say? For 3 seconds?
It happened in like 3 seconds.
Okay, that's not happening again.
Wait, say that again?
I know, that is exactly what happened. You want to lean your seat back a little bit? Do you know how?
Yes, I know how.
Okay, that's forward.
I know, but I want to
Oh, that makes sense.
I think I'm not actually high. I just don't have control of what the hell I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
She
Not
does- she-
control over the things you're saying.
She thinks
but
that she's not high. She just doesn't have control of what she's saying.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That was actually well said. Untrue, but well said.
How long does it take?
To do what?
I love how
4
she's doing
minutes to
sign
do what?
language.
Only 30 seconds. Are they even gone?
Yeah, we should check. I mean, I paid a lot of money for this.
There's probably gauze in there.
I don't know that you want to put your fingers in.
I don't think they.
What did you do? Yeah, she's got blood all over.
I don't think they took it.
Yeah, I think they did.
No, it's not. Walk
Let me
on
give
my
you.
leg.
No. Okay.
Don't wipe it on your.
It's fine. But I don't think they took them out.
Did you like those
Do you want me to go
leggings?
ask and confirm? You want to run by and see Dr. Thomas?
I want to see
You want a second
the
opinion?
tubes that they took out. I
Okay.
want to look at it.
Okay. Very good.
Are you breathing here?
It won't. I don't have control over my body unless I want to.
Liberty.
But I'm definitely still big, and I
Liberty.
feel like a normal person. It wasn't that bad. They didn't give me enough drugs.
Did you fall asleep?
I fell asleep because there was a big light.
It's a big light in your face.
He came in and he was talking to me.
Was the light like the sun baby from?
No, let me finish what I was saying. Stupid, but then she put the mask on me and I closed my eyes.
Do you feel like?
And then the doctor came in. Can I see them? They gave me a container. I want to see the container.
They've already been sent to the tooth fairy. I'm sorry.
No.
What?
Tell me the real thing. Cause I'm not that high. Where are my teeth?
In the trash.
Why?
Because they cleaned up.
Well, that's kind of stupid.
Well, they have to because they have another procedure to perform on someone else, and so they don't want your teeth in the way.
Mom just informed me that the dentist threw away my teeth in the trash, and I think that was a scam because even though my head may be spinning, why is it frozen? And I can't form my words properly, and you know I'm really not that high. But just because of the things I said previously does not mean that they did their job, and I'm pretty sure that my teeth are still in my mouth. feel that high. I can't really move my head.
It's really
Are you
cute when
hungry?
talk.
My entire mouth
Okay.
is numb.
This is you if you were.
This is basically me after teaching Sunday school, except for I have a lisp.
Well, we have to stop the video after 1 minute or else it'll cancel.
Why?
Because I don't have enough storage.
Yeah, me either, but then I checked my storage and it
Well,
says
the
I
video
have
went for like 3 minutes and then my phone just turned off and it didn't save.
What happened when you checked your storage?
that there said there was a lot of space left, but then I went to look at my phone and I went to the camera and it just hits freezing.
It just hit Speedy?
It's freezing.
Oh, it's freezing.
Yeah. I'm really not that high. It's just that sometimes things are a little blurry, but it was pretty
You can
cool.
see a little birdie?
No, but Brent always said no.
How does it
Right.
feel compared to cocaine?
I would know. Don't look at him.
What?
When I went, she told me, no, do vertical. Do vertical. Are you doing vertical?
She's doing vertical.
Okay, as long as one is two, I meant horizontal. You guys are doing horizontal, you guys are doing vertical. Oh, why is
You're
video
so
calling
observant.
me? I know, I'm really not that high. Where's your face? Where's your face? I can't see your face.
Just, what?
Hello.
Who are you on the
Yeah,
phone
I
with?
know. Oh, there's a button that says video.
You're on the
How
phone
do
with Wyatt.
I-
There's a button that says video, y'all. She just informed us.
No, I'm talking to Wyatt.
Yeah, Mom.
You guys are too loud.
Who's
Are you
Wyatt?
around a train?
What?
Are you around a train? I heard something go, nah.
What?
Who's Wyatt?
Wyatt from camp. He looks like Jesus. He does.
Is he on your phone
Everyone
right now?
says that. Yeah, he's calling me. We're doing a stoner versus stoner battle.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. What's that?
I don't know yet.
Okay. Do you think you feel
Can
prepared?
you not understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, it's reconnecting. Why? Just use my FaceTime.
Just keep
I'm
tapping.
honestly not even that high. I'm just dizzy.
How many times are you gonna say
You're
that?
just dizzy?
You look
Why
like
is that delivered? Who did I send a message to 12 minutes ago?
I don't know. You were sound asleep. Let's find out.
To everyone I just sent a message to 12 minutes ago. I have no recollection of that, so please let me know. I honestly don't feel that high. It's a choice that I made. However, are my lips bloody?
yes.
Don't look at my teeth, they're gross. But they put stuff in my mouth, right? Because I can feel it.
Yeah, it's called gauze.
Yeah, I'm really not that high, which is kind of disappointing.
Do you know how many times you said you're not that high? Is that the first time?
I feel like people.
Are there any closing words you want to say about this procedure that you had this morning?
How about we go vertical?
Yeah, we're vertical.
My mouth is really dry. Am I allowed to drink water yet?
Yeah.
My phone won't let me
Let's go
do
get
it.
you
I
some
meant
soup.
horizontal, Mom.
But it's already vertical. I can't change in the middle.
Yours is horizontal.
Mine's horizontal.
So I'll just say what happened. I went in and I sat down, and then she poked me in my chest and lifted up my
She
shirt.
poked your chest and lifted up your shirt.
That's what I just said.
That
Go
seems like her finish, please.
That's what I just said.
Okay, that's what happened. Go on.
Yeah. And then she put things on me so she could read what happened. And then her mouth is so dry. And then the doctor came in and he was poking me because there was magic. And every time he poked me, I felt the poke multiple more times because it was magic.
That was before you were high, right?
What did the magic
This is
look
while
like?
I was high, but I wasn't asleep yet.
Liberty, what did the magic
And
look
so
like?
he kept Did I get a band-aid?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Why is my sweater back on?
because you put it back on?
Wait, and while I was in there,
Yeah.
I did it by myself?
I don't know.
Why my music stopped? And it was fine. I want to see
And so
it.
then what happened after the magic poke?
Don't take it off.
I don't need a band-aid for that. What the heck?
Please don't bleed on my hoodie.
It's just a dot. Who gave me a band-aid
Well,
for that?
because it was bleeding, see?
Only a little bit.
Because they used the bandage as pressure to stop the bleeding. But we can put some lavender on it. And it'll
No,
be
I
fine.
don't really care. It was unnecessary. Anyway, he came in and he started talking and saying things because he knew I was high. And then he took my arm because I would have signed to you. I was awake
Mhm.
and I would have signed to you, but you don't understand sign language. It's kind of
tried.
rude.
Oh.
Yeah, so I was gonna say my, and then I was gonna tell you I'm still high,
Uh-huh.
but you wouldn't have known what I said.
Show me again so
Right.
I'll know next time. Alright.
Wait, what?
Next time, there's not gonna be a
Okay,
next
good
time.
to
But actually, my head is hurting a little bit more. But really, the only side effect I feel is that this part is fuzzy.
You're a
Which part
talkative
is
one.
fuzzy?
What?
You're one of the talkative ones.
It's because I'm not high. I'm just telling you what happened.
Yeah, so are you high on a normal basis when you're not talking
Yeah,
to
how
us?
much training did you do for
I don't know
this?
what that question means.
I don't know what that question means.
Did you train for this?
This morning? No, yesterday night. I did some yoga, but that's really all I did to train.
The yoga helped
What
you not
about the
be high.
spray in your mouth?
I mean, I didn't really do that much, so I don't know. But I haven't eaten in a long time.
Do you want some soup?
No, I'm not hungry.
You look like you got lymph injections.
But it really? Are they bigger? It happened really fast.
Alright, it's time to start wiping some of that blood away on your lips. Can I help you?
Why am I bleeding?
Well, they, went into
No, let it bleed. It looks cool when it bleeds.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
Dracula.
But I really would like to know I don't remember walking out of that door. But I
That one right there?
yeah.
Okay. Well,
How did I stand up?
you let me
You
carry
did.
you.
You tried to get out of her arms, but she wouldn't let you.
What?
Yeah.
You tried to walk by yourself.
Yes, because I totally could have.
Okay, get out, Tessa, right now.
No,
No, don't
Stay in your seatbelt. Put your seatbelt back on.
No,
There it is.
I'm
No, you cannot leave.
Look.
Put your seatbelt back on.
I'm being
No.
good.
You're being good.
I'm good.
I need you to put your
It's
seat.
only my mouth. I can still
No. You're not allowed to go out.
Stay in the car.
Oh, shit.
No, stop. Get in the car.
I can
Okay, you have to stay in the
I
car.
can wash it. Let me try and roll it back and roll it back
Okay,
in the
so
car.
you're bleeding.
Let me
You're
try.
spitting blood at us. I need you
It's
to
so
sit in the
funny.
car.
I love that.
I don't love that.
Let me wash.
No, you're
three
spitting blood.
steps.
It's really creepy.
Three
I need you
steps.
to. No.
Why 3 steps? Do it. I know I can. It's 3. It's not a big deal.
This is why 3 people have to bring her home.
You think you can do a somersault right now?
I'm putting the child on.
No.
No.
But I can try. If there was grass,
Okay,
I
listen.
There's grass right there.
I'm putting. No.
It's my will to walk 3 steps that direction. Close the door.
No.
I have to
No.
prove myself. I have to prove myself.
Noelle. I mean Liberty.
I am awake.
Mom,
You're
just let her.
awake.
I'm awake. It's not this half of my face.
Here's the thing. All this talking is going to
you
make your mouth
crying?
more sore later.
But it
No,
looks
Mom,
fun.
she's never gonna stop till you let her walk.
Okay.
I have
And
to
after you
walk.
walk 3 steps, you're going to get in this car.
Yes.
And I'm putting the child safety locks on.
That
After you do
didn't
a
make
somersault.
sense, but okay.
Okay.
You have to
We
do a
have an
somersault.
agreement on video.
So sit back.
3, alright. That's more than 3.
No, I have my balance.
That's 5.
Okay, I'll walk back. I'll walk back.
Okay, backwards. I want you
You're
to do it
pulling
backwards.
me back
I
and
want
making
you to walk
me go
backwards.
off balance.
I want you to walk backwards. Ready? I'm gonna do that walk.
Ready?
She's gonna catwalk.
Oh yeah, very nice.
You can see on a catwalk. I'm totally functional right now.
She's totally functional right now.
I could do anything I wanted.
Okay.
You're free.
Sit down. Sit down.
It's not that bad.
Okay.
Do you feel like
No, I'm
AirPods?
sitting down. I don't need help.
What?
I can do absolutely anything I want to. When who wants to see something? I can't tell if there's blood.
There is.
Where?
On your lips.
Like
That's pretty cool.
right here. I know
I
you
can't see some. How do I open my mouth later?
So,
I can't open my. No, I can't use my jaw.
You can't use your jaw.
It's not working.
Your jaw doesn't work.
Mom, I wanted
have a
the
jaw this
blood
morning?
on my face. Why were you wiping it off?
You have to
What's
consent to that
That-
first.
Why would you put your phone? I'm currently losing memories.
What memories?
I don't remember getting off. You're such a bad cameraman.
I know. I was trying to make it not look like I was like doing.
Get
But
away.
You were videoing yourself. You have a self video of you.
why did I send you? Tell me what I said. I don't remember what I said.
Who are you talking to?
I don't know. Tell me what you said, and then tell me what I said. I don't remember.
I said stay in the car.
Well, I'm not telling you. And wait, what did I say? This is not funny. I can do it. Did you get my catwalk? Did I catwalk?
Yeah, he did the catwalk.
Great.
Good.
Oh, really good. But I forgot what you were saying on what I was saying.
I
So,
said hang on to me. I'm
not.
out.
I'm not telling you. So tell me what I said, please, because I don't remember.
Wait, you
want
want
to
to
tell us who you're
Talking to.
She's talking to True.
Oh.
He sent me a message, and for some reason, I only remember talking to Wyatt, and he said that he is in class now. He has 12.
He's at school.
How long does the surgery take? Are they actually gone?
Pretty short.
I need proof that they're gone because
Use your tongue.
No, use
that's
it.
not proof.
No, like bring it backwards.
I don't like
into
that
your mouth.
angle that you're doing. Really, the only
Oh,
thing
but this
messed
one.
up with me right now is I don't like that. My eyes are dizzy. Why didn't it send me? Why do I only have 14%? I think that's kind of rude. I'm still me.
How many times have you said that so far?
4?
No.
This is no
a little more than
different.
4.
This is just me if your camera moves a lot. That's why I
That's
asked
'cause I'm
Lathan to
moving.
come.
No, it's because I'm moving.
No, I'm pretty sure the only issue I have right now is one, that I'm significantly more fat than I was in previous life before it happened. And 2, what was the other thing I don't like? Oh, my eyes. There's 2 of everything. I don't appreciate that. That's not nice.
Is there like? Do I have
But what was really cool was the beep noise. I liked that. And when he touched my elbow, bro, that was an interesting experience.
Because he had the magic touch.
Well, yeah, and the last thing I remember him saying was, "I'm just gonna let the magic work its magic." And I was like, "Yep, that's about correct because the room is spinning, and every time I feel something, I feel it 5 more times." Fat. Why would you poke me?
Did you feel that 20 times?
No, I just felt it normal because you poked me so
How many fingers
times.
How many fingers am I holding up?
2,
How many now?
3,
How many now?
2,
What's
How
2
many
plus
now?
3?
5.
Okay.
See, I told you, I'm really not that high.
I think you're doing better at
It's
math.
I'm confusing because I can't move any of my legs.
Does it look cool?
Mom, And the whole time he was touching me to make sure that I was high, I could have signed to him and told you that I was still high, but you wouldn't understand. So
Yeah.
so I didn't.
Listen a
tell
message to
you.
the girls.
Why would I send a message? Are you playing it?
Uh-huh.
I'm really not that high. The only issue I'm having right now is that you have 4 cameras that are overlapping and your nails are kind of dirty. But that's about it.
Is that funny?
No.
Okay, well, can I wipe your mouth?
No!
You got
I like the blood!
Why do you like it?
Because it's part of me now. I'm gonna make some funny TikToks, actually.
Some funny TikTok.
Yeah, the doctor was really funny. But
Yeah.
why didn't I see him
Tell us
off?
everything can you tell us everything the doctor said to you today
He
about
came
your
in
wisdom teeth?
and he had a really excited thing, and he came in and he said, "Hi, how are we today?" And I was like, "There's shit in my mouth. Why would I talk to you?" And so I didn't talk to him. But
Did you say that to him?
No, I just said I didn't talk to him. Anyway, she put the thing on my mouth. It was like a mask, but it wasn't a mask.
By your mouth, do you mean your nose?
This one.
Boop.
It's so. You're supposed to be spelling horizontally, Mom.
Okay.
Duh. Wait, what were we talking about? We were talking about
What the doctor
what
said.
he
to you.
said. Yeah, he was really enthusiastic. But I liked him last week because he was smart. Even though he kind of kept asking me questions, assuming that I'm not smart. But that was fine. Anyway, he came in and he kept...
Did they ask you if you're pregnant?
No, I told you I was pregnant. And then, where'd my Band-Aid go? It's fine, we don't need it anyway. I'm glad they didn't
took it
show
off.
me that. Yeah, I don't like it. It's stupid. I don't like it.
Embrace the blood.
That's what I've been saying this whole time, but people keep interrupting me. And he came in and he was like, really talk. At that point, the room was going in threes, 3, 3, 3s, and the beats were in 3, 3, 3s. And then when he did this, I could still move all my hands, but
All of them?
yes. And so I could move both, but he was on this side, so I only moved this one. So he was just trying to figure out if I was awake or not. And so
How many hands did you have?
only 2, stupid. And so he was
I think you're feeling better.
I know. I'm fine. And so he told me he was just testing to see if I was awake. So I kept moving my fingers so he would know that I was awake. And then
Like nap time.
and he pinched me, and I couldn't hear how he told me to respond because he told me to make a fist, and so I did that because I could still move my hands. But after that, I didn't hear what he told me to do. So then he smacked me. And then he pinched me extremely, extremely hard. And so then I went blah blah. So he'd know I felt that. But then I don't know. And then he did the same thing to the other one. And once he did the same thing to the other one, I stopped feeling it on this one. Thank
What?
goodness, because he pinched me really hard and it hurt. But now that there's a hole in this vein, we could use that as an opportunity to put a pencil in there.
Or we could not do that.
Why would you put a pencil in
Lead poisoning.
there? Okay.
Everyone wants to do that.
The goal?
Lead poisoning.
Lead poisoning is the goal.
I'm literally just saying things I would say in normal life, just with a lisp, a fat face, and I'm purposely being funny right now.
How can you purposely be funny?
Are you
Because-
laughing?
Only if I want to.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I'm not more high.
I mean, we can change that. You already have a hole in your arm, so like.
I'm gonna FaceTime right now. We gotta have some dope conversation.
Don't do dope.
Who are you sending that to?
My friends,
Which friends?
my closest friends.
How do you know? How do you send one to your closest friends? Who's on the list?
Like Caroline and my sisters, Marissa, That's my closest friends. I would really appreciate. Can I walk on the sidewalk?
No.
Why? I didn't
The
really.
car is moving, Liberty.
Not our car.
Yes,
Our
it
car
is.
moving.
No, it's not.
You're
Yes, it
right.
is.
You can't trick me. I'm not that high.
Our car is moving.
Our car is moving.
Liberty,
Christiana,
get back
shut
on.
the door.
Get back in the car.
Why? I wasn't out of the car. You can't tell me what to do.
Liberty, do not open that door again. Do you understand?
Mama, lock it.
I did, and I put the child safety locks on.
It didn't work.
Liberty, if you open the door again, you're going to the back. Is that where you want to be?
There's a trunk back there.
Do you want to be back there?
With a button. I don't really care.
Are you going to open the door
Yeah, let's
again?
go back there.
Probably not. That was
Liberty.
a safe place to open the door. That's why I did it there, and not when we're on the highway.
Mom, she's not high.
I'm not high.
No, but she's awful mean. She's
I'm
not making a good choice. She would never open a door like that one.
Yes, I would.
No, you would not.
What's your
Yeah,
message to
so-
King and Juji right now?
I mean, I still freaking
Oh,
love
King
them.
and Juji.
He's gonna jump on me, and my mouth hurts pretty bad. So like,
How big is your love for King and Juji? Like,
we already know the answer to that.
no, but like gesture, how big?
I'm not moving. That's a stupid question. Find something else to say. Pinch you 2 times. 1, 2!
Goodness, it just makes her meaner.
No, she's already that mean.
Now she's weak.
At least her aim is worse.
No. Why? Honestly, my only goal right now is to not be self-conscious. Well, is that my lip?
Is what?
Is that my face is 3 times the size. Because I don't need to be worried about the haters because I am a skinny legend. I'm just not currently, and that's why I was putting on my lip balm. It's a pretty logical decision. I don't know why you're videoing me. Okay, today we're going to take a trip on Miss Frizzle's field bus. You will be graded on both your hypothesis and your conclusion, but that does not mean that anything in between, including lab report materials, procedure, history, background, or the credits and sources and criterions of this are less important. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna load off a Miss Frizzle's bus. I know what I'm saying. It's not that funny. I'm doing this on purpose. And we're gonna go in my mouth and see if the teeth are actually on. Because it didn't feel like it. Okay.
So you're gonna open
Wait.
your mouth for us?
I'm gonna put on my flash. Okay, here we go. I feel?
Can you stick out your tongue and say ah? I only see 2 rabbit teeth in the, oh, there's some more teeth. Okay.
I feel?
Yeah, I saw.
So if you see them, that means that they're not there, and we just wasted $2,000.
Right? What's up with that? I think
Don't
this-
lie to me. You're
this is
I
so
can
kinda
tell that you're
rocket.
using a lying voice. But seriously, where did they go? There we go. Are you gonna fix it?
You gonna let me?
You're gonna
Well,
get it on
the
your
You're
sweater.
not allowed
Don't
to
get it on your
She's
sweater.
already all over my hoodie that she's wearing.
That's why I'm asking you to fix
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Wait, can someone help me with the wipes? Where'd they go? Give me a wipe.
she can't be bothered. She just keeps making her.
Oh, yeah.
Did you say?
No, even though I'm bleeding all over the car, I really appreciate it if people would stop taking screenshots of me. Does that mean I'm dying? I have a napkin right here.
Stop! Stop showing them your throat. Stop the video and stop. Oh my, you're so nasty.
Oh, that was great. Wyatt, stop screenshotting my videos. okay, and please send me the screenshots that you took because they're kind of funny. Now the real question is, how do I look cute on it? Is there things in my mouth making me look fat, or am I just this fat? Why would you this is a tutorial on how to look cute right after you got your wisdom teeth out. One, I'm so busy. One, don't listen to haters. They're gonna call you fat. We don't care. We embrace it because, people even get Botox in their teeth to have better looking teeth. So we can just pretend. Cheeks. I said cheeks, like the ones on your butt, also the ones on your face. Anyway, so people want to look like this. And, you may not have this problem, but my lips look so huge right now. And even though they're supposed to be numb, I can still feel them. But that's irrelevant to this tutorial. So, what you do is you position your hair, you find a cute filter, and you go, I don't like it when you do that. What?
You can't just stick your middle finger up.
Yes, I can. I don't know why, but I'm crying a lot right now. Help me, please. Okay, so I guess you didn't know this, but I still have, these right there. So I don't really know what to do about that. What if I just keep it on forever and nobody would know? Okay, I have to go now.
Thank you, guys. I will never be able to repay you for the kindness you've shown me in here. Besties for life, I say.
Oberlin, your bail's been posted.
Later, losers.
Hey, this is me 1 day before I get my wisdom teeth removed. This is me 30 minutes prior to my wisdom teeth surgery.
This is me after getting my shit kicked in by a couple of dentists.
So I've been getting a lot of questions and DMs and stuff about how I'm doing, and I'm feeling pretty great. It's been about 7 hours now since I woke up, and I'm feeling pretty good. Except for the saliva that is in my mouth that I can't control. But my dogs can't control their saliva, so I'm not really too worried about it. I'm pretty sure, I still have these things all over my body, and I think I'm just gonna keep them on forever. They're not even paying attention to me, bye. Everyone asking, oh my god. For everyone asking, no, I'm not on painkillers. I'm not taking any medication. I'm literally just putting lavender on my cheeks, and I feel great.